Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the 𝐁𝐸𝐸 Copilot ChatGPT plugin that you can use to find software developer jobs. Alright, so before I will show you an actual example with a prompt on how to use the 𝐁𝐸𝐸 Copilot ChatGPT plugin, make sure to check out my article in the description below, where I also share some of the best prompts you can use this plugin with and also share some use cases for this plugin. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see an example on how to use the 𝐁𝐸𝐸 Copilot ChatGPT plugin. Right, so before you would be able to use the plugin, you have to make sure that you are a ChatGPT Plus subscriber and you have enabled plugins in your ChatGPT account. If you haven't done these yet, I have tutorials on my YouTube channel that you can check out. Then once you have enabled plugins, you have to click on New Chat. Then by default GPT 3.5 is selected, so you have to select GPT-4 and then make sure that the plugins model is selected, so you're going to be able to install the 𝐁𝐸𝐸 Copilot plugin. So you can see it's installed for me. If it's not for you, you have to click on Plugin Store here and install the plugin. And last but not least, you have to make sure that the 𝐁𝐸𝐸 Copilot ChatGPT plugin is enabled, so you're going to be able to interact with the plugin, and you can enable any plugin by clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Alright, so as an example, we're going to use the following prompt: search for remote senior software developer positions that require knowledge of Python. Of course, you can switch out the variables here, so you can use junior developer, architect, you can switch out the language or add more languages. You can add, of course, a location if you're not looking for a remote job. But let's see this example. So click on send message here. And as you can see, you don't have to use any kind of function. ChatGPT is clever enough to know that it has to use the 𝐁𝐸𝐸 Copilot ChatGPT plugin. And as you can see, it has indeed done that. It has scraped a ton of jobs and chose the best ones for us. So let's see what the plugin has come up with. So as you can see, here are some remote senior software developer positions that require knowledge of Python, a senior software engineer at Freenome. And as you can see, you get a location, fully remote, skills you need, and the expected salary you can get if you successfully apply to these jobs. So as you can see, we get 5 examples from this plugin, from the 𝐁𝐸𝐸 Copilot plugin. But if you want to get more opportunities, you can ask the plugin to give you more opportunities with a salary of more than 200,000 USD per year. And as you can also read here, you can also get an email drops for new jobs. All you have to do is provide your email and the plugin will set it up for you. So all in all, this is how to use the 𝐁𝐸𝐸 Copilot ChatGPT plugin. If you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins that you can use for programming, marketing, business, finance, productivity, scientific research, cryptocurrencies, and many more, you can check out a ton of tutorials on my YouTube channel. More are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.